Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this simple Ghanaian fish stew. So for this stew, I used oil, tinned tomatoes, tomato puree, tomato paste, bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, onions, bay leaves, salt, my spice mix, and fish. Start with cleaning, cutting, and frying the fish. I do not add any spices before frying the fish. All I do is wash and cut the fish. I patch it dry and then I deep fry the fish over high heat until it's done. While the fish is frying, cut your veggies. Together with the tinned tomatoes, blend the garlic, onions, and bell pepper until you have a smooth puree. Okay, so by now the fish should be done. This is how mine looked. I'm going to heat some oil over medium fire. I am using coconut oil, but you can use any type of vegetable oil. Cook the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the tomato paste, mix it and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add the blended tomatoes and mix it. I like to cook it for about 5 minutes before adding some salt and spices. You can also add Maggi cube if you want to. Add the bay leaves and allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes over a low to medium fire. Then add the fish and cook it for another 10 to 12 minutes over low fire. And there you have it, a very simple fish stew recipe. You can eat this with rice, you can eat it with yam, with potatoes, with a lot of different dishes. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.